If you're experiencing issues with the Elden Ring update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. Step 2. Restart the console or PC. Power off your gaming console or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the settings and selecting the appropriate option. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming the download. This can sometimes kickstart the process and allow the update to continue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This will ensure you have the latest version and can resolve any issues with the current installation. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.